birthday, Loli. Happy birthday, Loli. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Loli.
Hi, Ate Lolit. Happy birthday. Nagda-drive kasi si Ting. Kaya, happy birthday, Ate. And may you have many more birthdays to come. Nauna ka palang mag-70th birthday. Ako, December pa eh. Kaya, medyo bata ako sa'yo ng konti. Enjoy your special day, Ate. We love you. And God bless you more.
Hello.
More happy, healthy, always. Thank you.
Hello, happy birthday. Happy birthday, si Lolit. Nag-drag kasi ako eh. So, thank you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Enjoy. Gusto sa lahat. Okay? Bye.
Yoya, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. Lola? What's Lola's name? Lola?
Yoya,
Lola. Wishing you a happy birthday. We love you, Lola.
love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
God bless.
God bless.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Okay. Oh, you're blowing the cake for Lola? Okay. You wanna say happy birthday, Daddy? Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Enjoy your day. And God bless. And wishing you more birthdays to come. We love you and we miss you all. Mwah. Okay, sorry.
Hi, Tita Lolit!
Happy birthday po!
Sana po enjoy niyo po yung birthday niyo. Enjoy po. Good health. Bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Auntie! We wish you good health and more blessings. And enjoy your party. Bye!
Hi, Lola. Happy birthday.
Hi, Lola. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, happy 70th birthday.
Ay, Ma, happy birthday. Sorry, kawa-kawa nila kasi kuwara kapday nga beko. Pero, sana masaya ka kaning birthday mo. Wish ko kaya ka sana marakal pang birthday datam. And good health para kay kayong daddy. Balo mo, Ma, lagi ko sasabihan kay kay ni I appreciate ka lalo. Ngayon ni balo mo na may ka anak ko din. Aliwa pala, ngayon ni I appreciate ka lalo kasi ika apat kami pera gulan mo rin ka ako dwalam. Pala matita kasaguling maginginda pero inagyo mo pera gulan mo kaming masalese. Salamat ka rin gana-gana and happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Loli! To the other half of Joy and Loli, tandem to confuse Apong Inang, I wish you good health and a happy heart.
Ingat kayo dyan!
Maligayang kaarawan, Lola Loli! Enjoy the party!
Happy birthday,
Tita Lolet!
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Hello po, Tita Lolet. Binabati ka po namin ng happy birthday po. Dalangin at hiling po namin sa Panginoon na bigyan ka pa po ng maraming birthday at maayos na kalusugan po. I-enjoy niyo po ang inyong mahalagang araw at happy birthday po ulit. At pinapasabi po ni Edwin na happy birthday na lang po at pasensya na po't wala po, nasa luwag po siya. Enjoy your day po.
Good morning. Happy birthday, Lola. More birthdays to come. I miss you.
Happy birthday po, Lola Lola. More birthdays to come. I wish you a happy birthday and have a good day. I love you.
Hi,
Tita Lolet! Happy birthday! Wish ko po kaya kayo is I enjoy yung birthday yung ngayon. Healthy kayo. At sana more happy life pa po along with Cute and Tito Remy. Ingat po and God bless!
Hi Tita Lolet! Maya pa eldoning kekang kebaitan. Ing wish ko muna sana ibiyan nga nga pong ginuing kega na ganang hiling na ning puso mo. Sana pakaba na pangbiya mo at di na nakapang masanting at malakas na pangangatawan. Baka pang makapag-chat-chat with Mama Remy. O, diba? Anyway, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love you.
Hello, Ma! Happy 70th birthday. We wish you all the best, good health, and many more birthdays to come. I-enjoy me in banging ini kay kaya yung celebration na ini. Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma. Miss na namin mga luto mo. Ingat po kayo palagi and lagi lang kayong kumanta. I love you.
I love you, Ma. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!